Hi there, it's Manal from Miniscraftboutique. Thank you for watching my video today. Today's tutorial is another of the 6x6 series, and it is the second last project of this series for the year 2020. And today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little gift bag. Now when I was making this bag, I was experimenting with the size, also the shape, and I went ahead and cut the middle part. So I will give you both options. If you want to, you can, but right now I am not going to cut this, and I'm going to show with the sides attached. It's going to give it a bit different look, not a lot. And for the closure, I have just gone simply with a peg, and inside you can see that it has space for you to add some chocolate, some sweeties, or anything that you can put in if it's not going to fall from outside. And the closure is simple, but I haven't attached any embellishment because I couldn't think of any regarding to whom I'm going to gift this or for what occasion I'm going to give it away. But for this, I have gone ahead and cut out the embellishment, and I'll tell you how did I cut it out. So for this, you need a piece of paper that measures 6 by 6, and on one side you are going to score this at 1.5, and at 4.5 you're going to rotate it, and then along this side you are going to score it at 2.25 and 3.75. All right, so this is the scoring. Now we are going to fold on all of these score lines and reinforce the scores. You can even gift a piece of jewelry to somebody. You can put in the box offering inside, or a small necklace. Okay, so with the paper in this orientation, that the thin sections are at the top and bottom. Over here you can see that these are broader sections and these are the thin ones. These are going to be your sides, and this is going to be your middle part. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut on these two score lines, and this is the section that I took off completely from the box that I had created, and that's why there was a gap over here. That's the middle section that's responsible for that gap. So now I'm not going to cut it out. Instead, I am just going to cut on the lines and take a little bit off from the edges so that the box can close easily. And you have to do this on both sides. Okay, just rotate it around and cut from here as well, like this, and from here as well. All right, and now you're going to fold these in. If you wish, you can trim these off a little bit. I am going to do that, but just halfway through, not even halfway through, just a tiny bit. You can say around half an inch. And then you're going to pull these up, bring that here and this side here, and here's your box that's ready. Okay, so let's just glue these bits down. If you want, you can use tape, and actually I think I am going to use tape for these sides. For now, I'm going to stick with glue for this part, and then later you just flip these over and put tape, because that's what's going to cover these and close the box. Okay, so I am going to put these over here and just cut off the excess. I'm going to do the same on this part as well, like this. Okay, so now you are going to take this and just bring this loose end and attach it over here like this. All right, and same on the other side. You have to make sure that these line up and they are straight. Alright, now take off the backing of this tape from this section and just bring it over, and again making sure that your ends are all aligned like this. Do the same on this side as well. I did not prefer glue because it takes time to dry, b it can warp your paper. So this is the back side, and I have made this back side because the seam is on this side, and that's going to be my front. So just lightly pinch the box like this and it's ready. You can see on the sides it's just a tiny little cute gift bag. For this leaf, what I've done is that I have used this falling leaves die and have cut the outline and the inner vein as well. So, and then backed it off with one of the solid leaf, and this has given it a pretty 3D effect. You can see I just love this, and I have gone with again a peg closure. I have these pegs and this time it's a bit bigger, so I think I am going to go with red one. Let's just see which one goes with it, red or green. What do you think, which looks better? I think the red one was looking a bit better, and then you can always add sentiment of your own choice according to the occasion, be it birthday, anniversary, whatever. So I have gone with the red peg, and do let me know what color did you prefer in the comments below. So this was today's project. I hope that you have liked it and hope to speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.